जिस हिसाब से कॉन्फिडेंस से ये लोग बोल रहे थे ना कि तू तो कर लेगी, तुझे तो यू विल डू इट। मैं सोच रही थी ऐसा क्या देख रहे हो, हाउ डू यू थिंक दैट आई विल डू इट? आई एम नॉट श्योर। आई थिंक ऐसा अगर सपोर्ट सिस्टम होता है ना तो देन आपको खुद पे भरोसा ना भी हो, लोगों को आप पर भरोसा है कि आप कर लोगे तो आप कर लेते हो। आई हैव डन सच अमेजिंग वर्क विद देम ओवर लाइक 18 years नाउ, and it just feels like coming back home whenever I'm giving interviews or talking about them. It just almost feels like I'm talking about a family member. It's like आप कर ही लेते हैं। You will go there and once they explain you what the stunt is and then they announce ये कौन करने वाला है, तब तक आप क्लूलेस रहने वाले हो। और जब मैं पहली बार गई थी मेरे लिए वो क्लूलेसनेस बहुत हैवी थी।
This is Nawaz Kochra joining on Indian Express Screen, and I am here with Avika. Hello, Avika. How are you?
I am good. I am excited. I am nervous. I am everything right now.
But what is more, excitement or nervous? What's dominating the emotion right
Nervousness.
now? Okay.
Because खतरों के खिलाड़ी एक ऐसा शो है जहाँ पे physically strong hona is not the only thing, right? It's mentally, it's emotionally. You need to control your feelings and emotions in the moment when you're performing stunts. So I think it's a very difficult show to be a part of. पंगे लेने की आदत हो गई अब मेरे को, मतलब बैक टू बैक आई एम जस्ट randomly doing things which really challenge me and this is definitely one of them.
But last time we saw you on national television, कलर्स की बेटी दुल्हन के अवतार में शादी कर रही थी और अब वो खतरे मोड़ ले रही है, तो why such a drastic choice?
I don't know. I think कलर्स को मुझ पर जो कॉन्फिडेंस है ना, मतलब जब मुझे इस शो के लिए अप्रोच भी किया गया और जिस हिसाब से कॉन्फिडेंस से ये लोग बोल रहे थे ना कि तू तो कर लेगी, तुझे तो यू विल डू इट। मैं सोच रही थी ऐसा क्या देख रहे हो, हाउ डू यू थिंक दैट आई विल डू इट? आई एम नॉट श्योर,
Right.
बट दे जस्ट बिलीव इन इट। सो आई एम लाइक ठीक है, तुमको लगता है तो ठीक है, लेट्स डू इट। आई कांट से नो टू कलर्स। आई मीन
Absolutely.
I have done such amazing work with them over like 18 years now. And it just feels like coming back home whenever I'm giving interviews or talking about them. It just almost feels like I'm talking about a family member. It's like अब कर ही लेते हैं, अब उनको भरोसा है ना, हो जाएगा।
But second stint on Khatro.
Yeah.
First was season 9 and now season 15.
First one was traumatic. मतलब I was injured. I still have scars and it was traumatic for
My
me.
God.
फिर भी पागल है ना, मैं दूसरी बार बोल रही हूँ, but I think it's my learning.
But are you more confident this time to expect, like, you kind of somewhere know what to expect and you're going in?
See, I just know one thing
Okay.
that I'm prepared for, which is कि आपको कुछ नहीं पता होगा कि कौन सा स्टंट है, कौन कर रहा है, क्या है।
हाँ.
You will go there and once they explain you what the stunt is and then they announce ये कौन करने वाला है, तब तक आप क्लूलेस रहने वाले हो।
हाँ.
और जब मैं पहली बार गई थी मेरे लिए वो क्लूलेसनेस बहुत हैवी थी। I was like, मुझे कोई कुछ बता क्यों नहीं रहा है? I have been that person all my life who wants like scripts prior, who wants everything, told to me clearly, briefing
Right.
होनी चाहिए। And यहाँ पे मुझे कुछ पता नहीं था, so मेरे लिए वो बहुत शॉकिंग था। But I think this time I'm prepared for that. I'm not prepared for the stunts. I'm not prepared for what's coming my way. एंड आई थिंक कितना भी मैं प्लान कर लूँ, कितना भी मैं जिम जाऊँ, उन सब चीज़ों के लिए नहीं होने वाला है प्रिपेयर कोई भी, बिकॉज आपको नहीं पता वहाँ क्या करवाएंगे।
Absolutely. But tell me one thing, since you've experienced this before
Yeah.
also, जब आप लोगों को stunts समझाए जाते हैं, तो does somebody actually performs it also and shows it to you all, or how is it?
No, there is somebody who has already tried it, but we don't get to see that. They
Okay.
just explain us like A to Z की exactly कैसे क्या होने
So
वाला है,
there's
क्या
no
करना
reference video or something that you'll show?
No, not at all. But they
Oh.
definitely, obviously, we trust the whole process and we trust the team कि किसी ना किसी ने ये किया हुआ है. So it's
हाँ.
not like a first time.
नहीं, और वो हमेशा disclaimer आता है नीचे that
हाँ,
it's performed in
by-
experts
yeah. And the
supervision.
team is so मतलब वो तो मतलब मेरी भी जो स्कार्स और इंजरी हुई है वो उनको क्या पता था कि चींटियां मुझे इतना काटेंगी, तो वो उनकी गलती है नहीं, बट वो हो गया था इन द सिचुएशन दैट आई वाज पुट इन। But yeah, I think overall the experience of being with that team, and we have Rohit Shetty sir there. He is so kind. He is like always motivating you to do better. And I think ऐसा अगर support system होता है ना तो then आपको खुद पे भरोसा ना भी हो, लोगों को आप पर भरोसा है कि आप कर लोगे तो आप कर
Right.
लेते हो।
Also, what was Milin's reaction to you taking up this show?
He knew कि मैं पागल हूँ, मैं हाँ बोलूँगी। He was very sure कि ये तो because I was approached, he was like, तू करने ही वाली है, तू कितना भी बोल ले, नहीं होगा मुझसे, तू करेगी. So he was very sure. And yeah, he's excited. At the end of the day, I will get to spend time with a lot of my friends this time. Rubina is there, Jasmine is there. बहुत सारे लोग हैं, करण वाही, ऋत्विक. I think I've known all of them since years, and मेरे लिए वो भी experience अच्छा रहेगा to get that time along with the shoot. ये भी एक time होगा उनके साथ time spend करने के लिए. So I think he's excited for that.
Also, in real life, how adventurous is Avika, and what are her biggest fears or phobias?
Insects, biggest phobia. Not phobia, I wouldn't name it that way, but मुझे बहुत ऐसा disgusting feeling आती है. Insects, snakes, ये सब, rats. Oh, I find like all of that like a big no-no. अब मैंने क्यों बोला, मुझे वही देंगे stunts. Anyway, so yeah, things that I run away from are these. But I think I am slightly adventurous, I would say. वरना मैं ऐसे शो के लिए हाँ नहीं बोलती. वरना I think मैं दूरी भागती. But yeah, I think I like adventure. अगर मुझे ऐसा मौका मिलता है कि कहीं मैं zip line करूँ, कहीं मैं कुछ करूँ, तो I go for it. वो अलग बात है कि डर लगता है, वो अलग बात है कि मैं बहुत रोती हूँ, कैसे होगा, क्या होगा, मुझे नहीं करना. But I do it. So I think शो में भी ऐसा ही होने वाला है.
Also, as a human being today, what is the one fear you have in life in general?
Ooh, good question. I think I always, when I make friends or when I let people in very close to me, I always fear that there's something that they want out of me. And then there is like, should I judge them on basis of that feeling or what? So I always have that question mark. I can't make friends easily because of whatever trust issues.
You just echoed my sentiment. Yeah? I am like that.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. That is my biggest fear. कि कोई मुझे taken for granted ना ले ले यार.
Absolutely. Also, if you have to tell me a story, okay, about or an incident, from life where, you were scared of something or, something very life-changing happened, you came out of it successfully and you felt very proud about it.
Biggest was खतरों के खिलाड़ी, the season that I did, season 9.
Okay.
मेरे लिए वो ants और cockroach वाला stunt जो मेरा पहला stunt था, वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा traumatic था. मेरे पूरी body swollen थी. I was red and it was like a big allergic reaction that I had gotten. And I think the reason I say I came out of it is because after that I performed 3 stunts with the injury. Apart from that, when I came back home and when I now look back at those injuries, I feel like कि मैंने किया ना उसके बाद भी. Like I feel very proud of that thing. So I think that is one example that I really feel very proud of.
From season 9 to season 15, what's changed, Navika?
बड़ी हो गई हूँ मैं. I think that's the only thing that has changed. But I think I feel more confident in the way I am. I think if you remember the conversation from Pati Patni Panga also, I think I've opened up as a human. I really feel that the filter is going off. The wall that I had created about how I should speak or what I should speak, I think I'm letting that go easily. And I feel lighter while doing that. I also feel like, yaar, theek hai na, this is who I am. So I think that is a shift because season 9 में जब मैं गई थी तब unless I was given a script, I didn't even open my mouth. I was that particular about नहीं मेरा image नहीं, मेरे को नहीं बोलना. So I think that has definitely changed.
And I really think this season Avika is going to have a lot of fun.
I want to have fun this
wish
time.
you all the very best.
डर तो होता रहेगा, but I want to have fun. Thank you.
Absolutely. So wish you all the very best.
Thank you so much.
Kill it.
Let's hope.
Absolutely.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. All the very best.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.